We talked about tick count trend 2 earlier in the week, last week, and we were discussing the counter trend nature of tick count trend 2 and looking at the E-mini Nasdaq does it especially well. Here's the Fed day. Be careful shorting this market, but if you do it with a strategy that has risk parameters in, the stop losses in, this is the way to do it. You don't want to call an all-time high and bet the ranch that this is the high in the stock market, is what I meant by that statement. But from day trade perspective with stop losses, yeah, definitely there are some opportunities to short. And this has been a very choppy market the last couple of days, and our portfolios have gone through a drawdown. But I really, a lot of times when I find a system that's really hot, it remains hot for a while. And tick count trend 2 is one that I also recommend to supplement your strategies with if you're mainly a trend strategy or you want to add another counter trend strategy. Tick count trend 2, you see it took all those short trades and then it took these long trades, so it was really good trading for this type of pattern in the market. There's not a lot of classical patterns here. You see one or two real trends there and there, but they didn't sustain themselves, and this did a good job of counter trend trading. And so let's look at the performance results on that. This is all of 2016. 53.72 average trade profit. Here's the equity curve. So nice equity curve. It's really in tune with this market, and so you want a counter trend strategy, this is one to trade. Like I said, the portfolios are down the last couple of days, about a $2,000 drawdown, which is typical in the portfolios. This is the referencing the 25K portfolios, 2,000 down 2,000. Tick Pulse has had 3 losses in a row. Yesterday was a winning day though, so we had a winner and then a loser, but the day was a winner, and then today we had 2 losses, so we have 3 losses in a row. If you're looking to add to contracts, looking to get in on drawdowns, this is the time to do it. Anytime between a 2 and 5K drawdown, the deeper the drawdown that you're waiting for, the less infrequent that it will occur. We had a loss in crude oil after hours again last night. After a winner, we had a loser, then a winner, then a loser, and in the last 3 trades. And so I anticipate maybe potentially higher prices going into Friday. We opened up the week really high in the $54 range, and it could mean revert to those weekly opens. And good point to potentially take a long trade if this strategy takes a long trade or short. And let's see here, what else do we have going? Grains Day Trader 3 lost. Crude oil reversal made a little bit of a profit, 155. None of the other strategies traded in the 25K portfolio. In the 50K and 100K portfolio, Cobra Crude is down on the day, and none of the other strategies traded. So if you're looking for something that trades more frequently and is counter trend, tick count trend 2 on the E-mini Nasdaq is one to take a look at, and I'll show you the page for that. You can go to my website, capstoneTradingSystems.com, go to tick count trend, and you'll see the tick count trend version on there. It also includes the tick count trend 2 version at this point, and you can sign up below for a annual lease or a lifetime lease, and we highly recommend the diversity that it can offer on the counter trend side. On the trend side, Tick Pulse is the one to trade, and on the counter trend side, tick count trend 2 is the strategy to trade. So let me know if you have any questions on that and any of the portfolio setups.